Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And excuse the noise if you hear like the washing machine going off. I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone, so I truly apologize, but let's just get into the video. So on this video, I just wanted to share with you guys on a company that reached out to me and wanted me to do a review on their wig. So I was like, hey, why not? But I'm just gonna be straight honest with you guys. This is the first time that I ever took out the wig out the box, and I want to show you guys like how this wig is if you decide to purchase it, like how this wig is if you decide to purchase it, because I'm no hairstylist, I'm no professional. Many times when girls tend to get their wigs or they tend to get the hair, they seem to like took care of it, did what they had to do with it, and I must say I am one of them girls. So you just already take care of it, design it, style it the way you like it, and then you want to do a review. So this time I decided to do something different. I just wanted to share with you guys how this wig looks exactly coming out of the box and how I'm able to style it and if I actually get the desired look that I'm looking for. So this hair is from the company VIVI Baby 100% Human Hair, or VIVI Baby Wig, or VIVI Baby Wig. I don't know, baby, but yeah. So of course the wig came in it, and it came with a little card just saying thank you dear so much for your order, blah blah blah, and also like the wig caps. I didn't need more wig caps. Yeah. So this is the hair right here. I didn't wash it, and girls, please make sure you do wash your wig. It's not safe. I don't think it's safe. I don't think it's right to just put on a wig right away, like wash it. So, but just for the sake of this video, yeah. So yeah, this is the wig. Hey Mary. So this is Mary, and she's all curled up. As I mentioned before, this wig is from VIVI Baby Wig. It's Brazilian virgin human hair kinky curly wig with bangs, 150% density, non-lace front, deep curly wig, glueless, full machine made wig for black women, natural hair, and I got it in the inch. Well, I told them I wanted 18, but whatever. We're gonna believe this is an 18 inch. So yeah, so they reached out to me. They wanted me to do a review on their wig, and I told them if I like it, then of course I'll do a review. But hey, we're gonna see if we like it today. So yeah, let's be honest. Okay, so I already have my hair. I just do my hair back in like two little pigtails. So yeah, so this is the wig. It does come with a band already attached to it. It comes with combs, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 combs. Hopefully you guys can see it. So it comes with the combs. Down here in the middle also has the straps if you want to tighten it. Yeah. So let's go ahead and try this on. Let's go ahead and try this on. Wow, I look like I just came from Egypt. Alrighty. I look like I just came from a tribe. Okay. Yeah. Grad day. Grad day. Grad day. Grad day. Grad day. What y'all think? What y'all think? What do you guys think? Just from me throwing it on. I don't think it's that bad, but no. Okay, no. Ain't gonna walk up in the streets like this. No sorry, bye. Alright, so of course we had to play around with it because it is not something to walk out on the streets with, you understand? So it fits. It really snugs my head. Like it snugs my head. Yeah. So yeah, man. Okay. Just trying to persuade myself. All right. Ooh. All right. All right. You know, you gotta check it out, evaluate it, see what you're trying to get out of it, what you can do with it. That's what I'm doing right now. Ooh. All right. Sit right here, Salome. All right now, Mary. Okay, where is my water bottle? Cause I'm gonna spray this. All right, let me get my mirror together. I see this. Might be a way to get my mom. It's not that bad. Okay. I see where you're trying to go. I see what you're trying to do, Mary. I see it. I'm not gonna give up on you that easily. All right. This is a good job interview type wig, don't you think? Like if you're going for the interview, holla at this wig. Ooh. Look like King Pharaoh. That ain't somebody I want to look like, you know what I mean? That ain't somebody I want to look like. All right. Let's shake. Oh. Shake. Shake that wig. All right. Ooh, no, ooh, okay. Ooh, I see it. Ah! I see it, okay. I see it. Okay. Okay. All right, I see it. I see its potential. Okay. All right. Okay. Just slap a little water right there. Slap a little water right there. Okay. We're not leaving it like this, obviously. Now. Maybe if I... Okay. Oh no, I need some edges. Come on, edges. I need some edges. We ain't gonna do this today. Not today, Craig. Not today. I see it, guys. Do you see it? Cause I see it. Okay. Let's get a pic. We gonna grab my son pic, my husband pic, whatever pic. Cause we gonna make you big. Like what they say. Get the roots. Get the roots, sister. Okay. Cause these tight curls. No sister. Go ahead. Oh, Mary. Mary, why you playing with me like that in the beginning, making me think something? Mary, you know you cute after all. You cute after all, Mary. Girl, had me thinking. I just came from the Egyptian tribe. What? What? me now. Y'all was trying me. I don't know what y'all thought I was. But okay. Okay, Sally Mae. I'm sorry, Mary. Sorry, Sally Mae in the closet. Sally Mae is in the closet. Ooh. Hold on, let me relax for a little bit. Look at that word. No sleep, no sleep. All right, we want it big, yeah. We want it big, big. We want it big, yeah. We want it big, big. Okay, okay. Woo. Okay, what y'all think? Be honest with me. What do you guys think? This is my first time putting it on. I like it. 1 out of 10. I like it. I will give it a 9. I like it. Well, I'm finna wear this to work tomorrow. Yeah. But I like it. Got the professional shirt on. Okay, you're at a job interview right now. Okay, so what makes me so interested about this job is that it's so organized. It's so organized and it's so equipped. Oh, so why should you choose me as a potential candidate? Like, why not? Why not? Why not? Yeah. But no, it's never good to be conceited or proud. You know what I mean? Prideful, but it's nice. It is a, yeah, like, you know, I would wear this to an interview. A lot of people will wear their hair straight, but because majority of the time I am going to be wearing big curly hair. I love curly hair. I love it. I love it. So, yeah, so this is the wig. It's cute. I'm not even going to lie. I was going to give this wig to my mom, but I think I'm going to, yeah, keep it. Because, yes. The more I stare at it, the more I'm feeling it. Come on now. VIVI baby. Look at me. Okay. But yes. Yes, definitely, 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 definitely feeling this. So if you guys are interested, I will put the link to this website or to this company down in the description box. It is from Amazon. So it is from Amazon. So if you guys are interested in trying to get like a kinky, natural, big, puffy, everyday hair, bruh, you can't go wrong with this wig. You cannot go wrong with this wig. But all right, guys. So, but I thank you guys for taking the time to watch this review. I love you guys. God bless you. Stay safe. Keep on praying every day. Pray without ceasing. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.